Good morning, Ron here, and I'm here to show you about the SciOly trial event called Game Agent. All the links are on this website. In Game Agent, you first develop a game in Godot, and then you develop a agent using some kind of reinforcement machine learning algorithms to beat your own game. Task one I'd like you to do is to follow this tutorial from Muddy Wolf. Even though it's written in 4.1, it actually works fine in 4.3 and 4.4. Um, Follow this tutorial. First one's about 32 minutes long, and then part two is about 16 minutes long. Follow this tutorial, build this game. Once you've got that game done, you're going to end up with something like this in Godot. The agent's ready to run and jump around and things like that. And then we're going to keep adding to it first the splash screens, video 2, and then we're going to go on to add a Q learning agent to beat your game. And again, all of the links are here. Please build the game and then meet me for video 2 where we add the splash screens. Thank you. Bye. And here's a quick addition. I really encourage you to develop a tutor that you can use to help you uh, do this coding. Things like use an AI tutor like ChatGTP or Copilot or DeepSeek. I find these to be pretty useful. Sometimes they lead me down rabbit holes, but they're good ideas. They're really helpful in answering why some things are done and not done. And once in a while, they actually provide code that actually can work pretty well without very many revisions. Anyway, please develop your AI tutor, your personal AI tutor. Thank you.